Good morning, I'm Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Today's Healthy What I Eat in a Day video is in collaboration with the Matcha Reserve, who make the most amazing high quality organically grown matcha that I've been putting in pretty much everything, from smoothies to waffles to salad dressings. Matcha is full of antioxidants, it helps boost your metabolism and helps give you sustained energy without the jitters. For breakfast, I made matcha oatmeal with maple syrup, chia seeds, and blueberries. As a snack, I had a quarter of a really large ripe papaya with some squeezed lime juice on it, and it was amazing. For lunch, I toasted some bread that I got from Trader Joe's, and I topped it with tomato basil hummus, which I also got from Trader Joe's, and an avocado, onion, and some sprouts. I also added in some garlic powder, some black pepper and salt, and some chili flakes to add a bit of spice. I'll show you another thing I've been doing recently for snacks. I've been using a mason jar to make trail mix and keeping it in my bag if I'm out and I want something to eat. It's just really convenient and healthy as well. For this one, I added together sunflower seeds, sesame sticks, raisins, and pumpkin seeds, all from Trader Joe's. Alright, now I'm in the backyard getting a lemon for the lemon matcha salad dressing that I'm going to make as a part of my dinner. And how I made this was I just squeezed some lemon juice and added in a teaspoon of matcha powder, and I also added in some coconut palm syrup for sweetness. Then I mixed in some garlic powder and balsamic vinegar. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I make the vegan black bean meatballs that I've been really loving lately. I will put the full list of ingredients in the description box. This is a recipe that I created by playing around with different combinations until I found one that tasted really good and that had a nice texture. In a big mixing bowl, I mixed together the flour, which is from the brand Bob's Red Mill, diced red onion, a can of black beans, a teaspoon of the Matcha Reserve organic matcha, a little bit of turmeric powder, half a cup of nutritional yeast, which is vegan and adds a cheesy flavor to food, chili flakes, garlic powder, and then I'm making what is called a flax egg or an egg replacer, which is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. And then you mix it all together and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes or in the freezer for 15 minutes until it has an egg-like consistency. And I'm mixing it in with the rest of the ingredients. I also cut up some sweet potatoes to bake in the oven. I'm making them spicy sriracha flavored, so I'm adding in lots of spices, some cayenne, a bit of mild curry powder, black pepper, garlic powder, Dijon mustard, and of course sriracha sauce. And then I'm baking them in the oven for 25 minutes on 450 degrees. Okay, now I'm using the Ninja Blender dough maker attachment to mix together the vegan meatball ingredients. I scooped them into my meatball maker after coating it with a bit of coconut oil, and it took about 5 minutes until they were ready. I got this for I think around $3 at a secondhand shop, and I've been getting so much use out of it. This and my waffle maker have just been amazing because I can veganize recipes and I can just make healthy vegan versions of things that sometimes vegans can't otherwise order at restaurants. You can bake these in the oven or in a pan on the stovetop as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will put a link to the Matcha Reserves website in the description box, and I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you next time. Bye!